There are two ways to reset the Wi-Fi function. The first way is to press the display button 6 times in 7 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can see the Wi-Fi logo will be flashing. The other way is to press the emergency button on the indoor unit. That can reset the Wi-Fi function as well. Power on your air conditioner. Hold on its reset button until you hear a beep sound and the Wi-Fi indicator light is rapidly flashing. Tap Add Device to start network connection. Enter the Wi-Fi password and tap Next. Connection starts. Network is successfully connected when it's 100% complete. While you are approaching home, you could remotely turn on your air conditioner to always enjoy the comfort in summer or winter. When you are at home, you don't need to look for your old infrared remote everywhere. Easily change its working mode and fan speed as you are sitting on your couch while using your smartphone. If you want stronger wind, just tap to enable it. If you feel uncomfortable, feel free to switch the wind direction. In addition, you could schedule it to be turned off before you're going to bed for energy-saving purposes.